guys, welcome back to Live Your Style. I'm Sharrah and today I am in Waco, Texas. I am in one of the houses from the show Fixer Upper that Chip and Joanna Gaines renovated. It was for the couple that owned Common Grounds, the coffee shop. Tyler surprised me for a wonderful getaway and we're staying in this house. So there were 5 different things that I have observed over the last few days of different things that they did in this space that have made it look incredible that I thought you guys might want to know. And I thought I'd give you guys a full house tour because on the show, they actually didn't reveal all of the rooms in this house. Oh, and if you guys missed our vlogs on our full trip to Magnolia, be sure to check those out at the end. Pretty cool. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button because we love subscribers. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I noticed was all the wood paneling on the sides of the wall. You guys may remember this from the show. Something that they did really well in this house all throughout is they were able to expose the history of the home while modernizing it and making it feel intentional. So what I mean is every time that there was something that was maybe older or naturally that came with this house, they made sure to add some sort of molding or trim around that area to make it kind of pop out and kind of draw the eye to it and make it feel like an established, substantial part of the home. I love how they didn't take it all the way up to the ceiling because that would feel really overwhelming, but they used this gray color to modernize it, and then they added trim and molding around the ceiling, around the sides, and on the floors, and it looks incredible. Take a look at the fireplace. See how they added trim to the very top? It looks incredible, it looks intentional, and it kind of highlights this freestanding fireplace that's in the middle of the room. So cool and really brilliant. Number 2, I realized that open floor plans are all that they are cracked up to be. This space would have felt so small if the wall that was here was still here, but they opened it and it is literally, it feels huge in here. This is like a 1,300 square foot house and it feels really inviting, really welcoming, and just a really natural flow. Which leads me to the dining room. Look how cute this is. I love how they have the cot in here. The place setting is so beautiful, but then because it's open, it leads us into the kitchen. The next thing I noticed is there are no cabinets on the walls in here, but they have open shelving, which, as we all know, cabinetry is very expensive, but these shelves are not that expensive in comparison, and it's a great way to store and decorate up on the walls. And I love this subway tile. I think it really adds a modern touch and gives that white pop that sometimes is really needed when you use a lot of natural wood. But yeah, I just love it. This kitchen is amazing. And again, they made sure to bring the wood into the kitchen as well, so that way it ties in with the rest of the house. Another thing I noticed are these curtains and these wood valances. Again, the wood brings the wood back up to the ceiling, adds that intentional touch, right? But these curtains are literally like an industrial looking canvas. Like I have a drop cloth that looks like this that I got at Home Depot, and they ripped the sides of them and hung them up as curtains. Talk about inexpensive, and it looks amazing. Look. It's so cute. Good morning, Waco. Something really unique here that I love is they actually hung something on the wall in this shelving unit. They didn't just put it on the shelves, they used the wall space, which I think is really creative and really unique and kind of cool. Okay, let me take you to the bathroom. This way. I think this bathroom looks amazing, mostly because of this freestanding tub. I love the tub. Tyler thinks the feet on the tub look like chicken feet, but he just doesn't understand that's what happens when you have a freestanding tub. They have to have feet. Hello. This bathroom is really, really cool. It feels very modern, but still has that farmhouse feel. Over here, I love how they added this old antique window to this just basic ordinary window. Okay, you guys wanna see the master bedroom? Let's go. In the bedroom here, we loved how they, again, used these old windows to just make an ordinary basic window really pop and feel intentional. For space planning when it comes to your closet, if you guys have a small bedroom, like this room is kind of small when you have a big bed like this in here, they did a really smart thing, and I'm gonna show you right on this wall. Instead of having closet doors that open out, they have closet doors that open to the side. They slide open, and they don't invade any walkway space, which is a really great thing to do when you don't have a lot of room. Okay, here is one of the guest bedrooms. I love this space because it's cozy. It has a lot of that farmhouse touch. I mean, look how cute this little, what is this? Is this like an old bed spring? I don't even know what this is, but it's really cute and just fits with the house, and it just ties it all in. Look how cute this little sailboat is. Oh, this is awesome. This reminds me of something my mother would have. Here is another guest bedroom. These cute little bunk beds are in here. I love the bedding. I love this little flower shutter thing that's happening on this wall. And you have a nice, pretty view of the little porch swing and the trees. It's just so dreamy and beautiful and wonderful and nice and all the great words that I could think of. Guys, this is one of my favorite things because it's just so cool. This is actually an old door that was made into a desk. Do you see this right here? That is a hinge. That is a door knob hole. This is totally a door that has legs on it, and the way they made it functional was by adding a big piece of glass on top to smooth it out and actually make it a functional workspace. I hope you guys loved this video, and I hope you guys loved some of the tips and some of the things that we learned from staying here. If you did, leave me your comments below and tell me what you love most about this house. Which was your favorite room? And if there are little things that you noticed that I didn't point out, tell me in the comments. If you guys are thinking about going to Magnolia, I would highly, highly recommend it. Again, if you want to know more information about the trip and all those details, check out the vlog because we talk a lot about that in there. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.